Life life is all about yummy fluffy pancakes. Admit it, a world without pancakes would be bleak, maybe not even worth living in. You love pancakes, don't you? You do, it's okay, I do too. My favorite thing about pancakes, other than eating them, of course, is watching maple syrup drip off the edges of my pancakes tower like some sort of sun-kissed waterfall. Fluffy pancakes are one of my all-time favorite Sunday morning breakfast treats. The problem is that a lot of great pancake recipes call for buttermilk. Honestly, who keeps buttermilk at home? Is that a North American thing? Without it, you can end up with a flat, lifeless pancake that looks too much like a lost creep. Here's a quick and easy recipe to make super fluffy pancakes with the ingredient you probably already have at home. Never buy that horrid box of premix again, please. This is what muddy pancakes look like. Can you make fluffy pancakes without buttermilk? In short, yes. This pancakes recipe uses no buttermilk at all. It does require regular milk through. So you may ask, what's the deal with buttermilk? Well, it is terribly in vogue when it comes to baking, and there's a reason for it. The acidity in buttermilk helps the pancakes rise. On the flip side, I've never known anyone to regularly stock up on buttermilk. In fact, until I moved to Canada, I had never even seen buttermilk, not even at a supermarket. If you are ever in a real pinch, you can create your own buttermilk alternative by mixing a cup of milk with a tablespoon of white vinegar and letting it sit for 10 minutes, perhaps less. Conventionally, you could also use a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice instead of vinegar. Neither option tastes as good as the real thing, but they shall do the trick. Thankfully, with this recipe, you won't need to. Now, if you do happen to have buttermilk, you can give this blueberry buttermilk pancakes recipe a shot. Secret to perfect pancakes. I shall send you a series of 5 emails that will walk you through the secrets to making perfect pancakes every time. Sign up. Yes, I sign up. Why are my pancakes flat? How can I make my pancakes fluffier?